Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our 13th chapter of marketing is the marketing research process continued or consumer market. Contact methods. Contact methods are used to obtain information. Contact method can be listed as first, mail questionnaires used to collect large amounts of information at a low cost. Number 2, telephone interviewing, good method for collecting information quickly. Number 3, personal interview, which can be either individual or group interview. Sampling plans are used to outline how samples will be constructed and used. First one, a sample is a segment of the population selecting for marketing research to present the population as a whole. Number 2, marketing researchers usually draw conclusion about large group of consumers by studying a small sample of the total consumer population. Designing a sample cell for 3 decisions. Number 1, how is to be surveyed? What sample unit? Number B, how many people should be surveyed? Number C, how should the sample be chosen? Kinds of sample include first, a probability sample. Each population member has a known chance of being included in the sample, and researchers can calculate confidence limit for sample error. Number B, non-probability sample. Sampling error cannot be measured. Research instruments. In collecting primary data, marketing researchers have a choice of two main research instruments, the questionnaire and the mechanical devices. Questionnaires are very flexible. There are many ways to ask questions. इसमें बताया गया है कि रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव और लिटरेचर रिव्यू. रिसर्च ऑब्जेक्टिव और लिटरेचर रिव्यू जो है वो कनेक्ट और डेवलपिंग ऑफ सर्वे इंस्ट्रूमेंट, क्वेश्चनरी डिज़ाइन, इंटरव्यू एंड इंटरव्यू आउटलाइन. ये फिर आगे जा रहा है कंप्रीहेंसिव डिवाइसिंग में, ये फिर एप्लीकेबल बन रहा है, फिर अडॉप्टिंग इन डाटा कलेक्शन स्टेज. फिर जो कंप्रीहेंसिव रिवाइसिंग है ये बी रिवाइज्ड जा रहा है, फिर ऊपर जा रहा है डेवलपिंग ऑफ सर्वे इंस्ट्रूमेंट में. Step 3, implementing in research plan. The researcher next puts the marketing research plate into action. Data collection can be carried out by the company's marketing research staff or by outside firm. However, outside firms that especially in data collection often can do the job more quickly and at lowest cost. Step 4, interpreting and reporting the findings. The final step in the marketing research process is interpreting and reporting the finds. Researchers should present important findings that are useful in the major decision faced by management. Interpretation should not be left only to researchers. Similarly, manager may be based. They might tend to accept research results that showed what they expected and to reject those that they did not accept or hope for. Thus, managers and researchers must work together closely when interpreting research results, and both must share responsibilities for the research process and resulting decisions. First one is consumer market. Definition of consumer marketing: all individuals and households who buy or acquire goods and services for personal consumption and termed as consumer. Consumer behavior is influenced by the buyer's characteristics and by the buyer's decision process. Consumer markets. Consumer buying behavior refers to the buying behavior of final consumer, individuals and households who buy goods and services for personal consumption. The world consumer market consists of more than 6 billion people. At present growth rates, the world population will reach almost 8 billion people by 2025. Consumers around the world vary tremendously in age, income, education level, and tastes. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.